Hello, Marcus Lim here with a very important video for all Social Late Freak users. Now, all of you would have experienced difficulty in logging into your Facebook app, and I've been hard at work working on a fix for this problem. So in version 2.4.1, you'll be able to log in again. But before I demonstrate how the fix works, I want to give you an overall high-level picture of how the architecture has changed. So this is how it used to be. So imagine you have 3 users, right? Maybe Bob, Jane, Michael, and each of them's using Social Late Freak. So this is how it used to be. There is one central Facebook app, and all of the applications, all of these 3 applications, they all log in or connect to the same central Facebook app. And this Facebook app, obviously, it then accesses the Facebook API, which is what allows it to retrieve data back to all these applications. So that's how it used to be. Now with the new fix in version 2.4.1, the architecture has changed to look like this. So as before, you've got Bob, Jane, Michael, each using Social Late Freak, but instead of connecting to one Facebook app, each of them now has their own Facebook app set up, and each of these apps then connects to the API individually. Okay, so what this means to you guys is that you have to set up your own app from now on, and you only have to do this once. This is something that you have to do if you were to use like the REG Facebook Connect WordPress plugin. You would have to have set up an app for yourself. So it's a very simple process. Now the upside is that because you are using your own app from now on, and you're not sharing one app among like thousands and thousands of people, you won't be getting this, annoying usage limit thing, where I'm sure some of you have experienced this, where you would get this cannot log into Facebook error, and that happens because if too many people are using or connecting to the same Facebook app, from this picture, everyone's connecting to the same Facebook app at the same time. Facebook does have a daily limit of usage, and so this is one reason why we've also gone to this second model over here. It just makes things really clean. You're not sharing one central app. You've got your own app. No more usage limit. Use it to your heart's content. So let's go ahead and set up your Facebook app. So I'll take you through the whole process of setting up your app. So here I am over at developers.facebook.com, and all you have to do is come here to apps, create a new app. So name of your app. Now you can give this any name you want. I recommend not giving it the name of Social Late Freak, because otherwise if every single one of you 10,000 people start giving it the same name, it's just not very good from Facebook's point of view. It's not unique. So I would recommend that you just give it something unique to yourself. here I'll call it Facebook FB app or data retrieval, something like that. Leave the namespace blank. Category doesn't really matter. I'll just put maybe productivity and just click create app. Or actually you can't have the word FB, that's fine. Marcus data retrieval. Captcha. Okay, so here's the name of the app that I specified, and app ID, app secret. These are the two pieces of information that you need. Okay, so app secret, you can display this simply by clicking the show button, okay, to get your app secret, and copy and paste them, and you need them later on. But two other things that you must specify under settings: you have to specify a contact email, and you have to specify a valid one. And finally, come to status and review, and you want to slide this to yes. You want to make it live so that your Social Lead Freak application can connect to the app. And that's pretty much all that you need to do. So let me head on back to my Social Lead Freak, and if you were to just click on login to Facebook, you can see this pop up: Facebook app ID is empty. And that's because now you need to click on Facebook app config and specify, remember, the two pieces of information that I said you need to have. So let me go ahead and copy them. So the app ID and the app secret. And then just hit save. Okay. And then if you now click login to Facebook, and I'll simply log in. Yes, Marcus retrieve the following information. Okay. And you are in. So now you can continue using Social Lead Freak as you've always been doing. So let's do a test. Pages, bodybuilding, let's say, and you can see that it should work as before. So you return all the results, and you can do maybe view all posts, 7 posts. So I won't do this right now. I'll simply, just to demonstrate that it's working as it always has been. So this is how you get your Social Lead Freak back up and running. So I hope that you found this video helpful. I think the only tricky part is really setting up your own Facebook app, but you can see that it's actually a pretty straightforward process. Just specify name, email. Remember to turn this to yes, and all you need is the app ID and the app secret. So Hope you found this video helpful, useful, and I'll see you in the next video.